Hi everyone, my name is Rish. Today is the 1st of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the upcoming expiry on the 6th of September. So the max OI level is the same for CE and PE, so that's neutral. The quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. The change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is very, very high, that's actually negative because it's overbought. Implied and historical volatility are both lower, so that's two positives. RSI is higher, that's positive. No divergence, that's neutral for the moment. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. Candlestick is neutral, that's the same. Overall, the support and resistances are the same. However, the trend prediction is that the S&P 500 should go up this week. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.